Whoa!
Hey, hello everyone.
Hi! Do I know you?
I'm Tom. I like making new friends. I have a lot of delicious candy. Would you like some? Whoa, there's a lot of candy.
I want to eat some.
Me too. Oh. Sweet and sour. They're really good. All right, let's eat them.
Hank! We shouldn't eat candy given by a stranger.
Okay. How am I a stranger? I've just introduced myself. We're friends now. If you don't want the candy, how about playing with this car? Look, it's really cool. Whoa, look at those big wheels. It looks really fun.
Hank, Mommy and Daddy told me not to take anything from a stranger.
Huh, why not? He's our friend now.
He might be a bad person.
I don't think so. How could he be a bad person? He's so nice. Huh, I don't want to play with you anymore.
Hank!
Huh. Huh? Why are you here alone? Because I don't want to play with them. It's not very much fun, is it? I know a very nice place. Huh? Where is it? I'm the only one who knows that place. Come with me. But I don't think that's a good idea. Trust me, it's really gonna be fun. It's just between you and me. I'm never gonna take them to that place. All right, I'll go with you. There's volcanoes and lava everywhere. How can we get across this? Don't worry, I'll make a bridge. Whoa, that's a very big bridge. Let's go. Whoa, there's a castle. Is the castle full of fun things? He's really easy to fool. What? What did you just say? I said there are a lot of fun things. Let me show you. What's this? This is a magic room. There's lots of fun stuff in it. Whoa, really? What kind of fun stuff? Hurry up, go inside. I finally got you. Oh, let me out. I'm gonna make some potions. What are they? If you drink this potion, you'll become a pig just like me. Then I'll have one more soldier. I shouldn't have followed the stranger. Kiki, Rudolph, help me!
Sir, we have a problem.
What happened?
Two guys are yelling outside. They want to get their friend back.
You fatty pigs! Let my friend out!
Huh? How did you find this place?
We were suspicious of you, so we followed you all along.
Ha ha ha! You'll never cross the blazing lava.
Boo! We brought our friends! Angry Birds, please help us!
Sir, the castle is collapsing.
Run! Run!
Rudolph, send me over with the slingshot! I have to go save Hank! Hank, we're here to save you!
Run!
Huh? We have a problem! King Pig is running away!
I should go to help Kiki. Ah! King Pig, don't move. Here's my magic.
Ouch!
Hooray! We got King Pig. Kiki, hurry up. Let's get Hank out.
All right!
Kiki, Rudolph, thank you for saving me. I will never eat or take anything from strangers again, and I'll never follow them. It was so scary.
It's okay now, but you have to take care of yourself from now on.
Never ever trust any strangers.
No, I won't.
Hello there, little kids. I have tasty candy here, sweet and tart, so tasty. Come try, everyone.
Mom and Dad always say, when a stranger comes to you, never eat anything that he gives to you. I never eat what a stranger gives to me.
Hello there, little kids. I have many toy cars here. Big tires are rolling round. Come play, everyone.
Mom and Dad always say, when a stranger comes to you, never take anything that he gives to you. I never take what a stranger gives to me.